In the drawing, I see that this image here, this symbol looks similar to my NPN transistor. So I'm going to take a copy of this. I'm going to explode it using the explode command and remove the circle here. And I also see I don't need this anymore. And it looks like the insertion point belongs right there. Since I have no idea what this object is called, but I'm getting some information here, sounds like a switch of some sort, I will call it a lane change switch. So I'll make a W block this time because I need this drawing on a different file, not the electrical circuit number 2 drawing. I'm going to use objects. I will pick points, which will be right here this time. I will select objects. I will pick all of this, enter. And now I need to give it a name. So I clicked on that button there and I go to my blocks and I will call it lane change switch. Block names should never have spaces in them. So use something like an underscore to keep it all one word. That's very important for blocks. Click on save and OK. And now I can use this file for another drawing. For example, let me start with the new drawing. So let's say this is my electronic circuit that I'm going to be working on. Let me just draw a few lines, turn ortho on, do something really quickly here. So I need that block, so I go to insert. I need to go to the path of my blocks, which since I was just there, happens to be here. Lane change switch. I'll insert it on screen. If I need to rotate it, I can do that, or scale it. Click OK. Place it right there, and there it is. You may see the other switch is pointing in a different direction. Let me show you what I mean. This one here is pointing the other direction. You can use the mirror command, so I'll show you that as well. I'll pick mirror, select the object, enter. I need 2 points to form a mirror. I can use these 2 objects here. As you can see, it's flipping. It asks me if I want to erase the source object. I would say yes, and I have another copy in the other direction. So that's how you use mirror. Alright, have fun making that electronic schematic.